Wow, this looks pretty cool, don't it? I think this is going to be the plan for the shorter blades that I bought to make a 6-bladed hub. It'll have the appropriate size collar in the middle, hole drilled through there, collar the other side, 6 blades. Looking good. This is a size comparison of the blades and the Chihuahua. No, it isn't really. These are the metal blades that were flying on the electric bike wind turbine, and this is the fiberglass ones. She loves the wind turbines. Good boy, isn't you? Good boy. And these are the real big daddies. Axial flux jobbies. And these are the ones that are going on the turbine very soon.